In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change interval on an Audi. This particular model is an Audi A3 2-litre TDI on an 8V chassis, and we'll go through it step by step, showing you which buttons on the centre console you need to be pressing to. So let's first press the menu button, which will bring us to the main menu of the car. And then using the rotary dial in the middle, we want to turn it so that we are on the car option, and then press down on the rotary dial to select it. And we need to be selecting service intervals, so let's press down on that rotary dial again. And then here on this screen you'll see that you'll have the service intervals. So it says there the next oil change is in 6,900 miles or 269 days. That's because I've already done this. I did it about roughly 100 days ago, which is why it's showing that. And then it's also worth mentioning here that it says inspection due for 12,100 miles, 431 days. Now when it says next oil change in, that means that in the future, 269 days in the future, you will need to get that oil changed and reset. Inspection due for 12,100 miles or 431 days tells you that it's overdue its service by that many miles or days. In this video we're changing the oil change interval. To be able to change the main service interval, you're going to need some sort of software or scan tool and connect it through your OBD port in the car to be able to reset that. So let's carry on. This little arc on the left hand side, the red part at the top, shows you that there's something else on this screen to be seen as well. So if you get your rotary dial and turn it anti-clockwise, that red arc will move down and take us to the reset option. And then from here you just want to click down on that rotary dial again, and then the system will ask you just one final time, do you really want to reset the oil change interval? So you just scroll it up to the yes, and then if that's what you want to do, just press select, then that will reset the oil interval then. And then all you've got to do is to come back out of the menu by pressing menu, or you can press the back button on the center console a few times.